So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and click on N on your keyboard. And then you want to scroll down until you find NVIDIA Display Container LS. Now once you're on this, you want to double click on NVIDIA Display Container LS. And then you want to make sure that the startup type is on automatic and that the server status is running. So click on start, which will make it running, and then click on OK. But if the service was already running, you want to right click on it and then click on restart. And then see if this fixes your problem. If that's still not working, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down until you see NVIDIA control panel. You want to click on the three dots, click on uninstall, and then uninstall it. Now once you've uninstalled that, you want to head over to search and then type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. Then you want to search for NVIDIA control panel and you just want to download it again. Now once it's been downloaded, you should be able to just right click on your desktop, click on show more options, and then it should appear. Or you could search for it by typing NVIDIA control panel. But if it doesn't appear, then you just want to restart your computer and then it should appear.